All right, guys, I'm trying to get a better view so y'all can see, and I can use both my hands. All right, so this is what I want. Let me see if I can get some of this ridiculous tape. I don't know where the brake is at. I'm gonna try to speed this up. Let's get this out. Yeah, I think I'm braking right here, guys. Hold tight. I can't hardly see. Let me get this out of here. Release this tab, and this whole wire should come out. I was just moving this and get my connection back. Hey, what is this little? Can y'all see this? This little on this blue and yellow wire, guys. I think we got a problem. We got a problem with this connector. Let me bust this connector apart. I bet, because when I wiggle this, my connection was clicking. Either that or these terminals are spread. What I want to do is I'm gonna take this component connector apart. I don't have a problem. I got a problem right here. Let me grab a pick, guys. We're finna go inside this. Yeah, this don't look right. I bet this why I'm losing connection, guys. Hold tight. Let me grab a pick. All right. So if I can't find a connector, I'm gonna go find an old harness and just cut right here and splice in a new terminal in. I need a razor blade to cut back some more here, guys. Yes, we on to something, guys. Hold tight, guys. Let me go find some old wiring harness, I guess, and see if I can find one that look just like this. All right, hold tight. Alrighty, guys, here we are. So this is what I'm gonna end up doing, guys. I found the connector off a wire harness. It's similar to this. Really, the only thing I'm concerned with is the terminal. So I dug out one of these terminals, and here's the one that come off of the car. Very similar, guys. Okay, I don't know how this camera, how this video is coming off, but we're gonna do the best we can. So what I did, this is the one come off of it. So I'm just gonna splice this into this, put that into here, lock everything back in place, and see what happens, because I still think my breaking point or the opening and close of the circuit is right here. And how this happened, I don't know, but I don't got time to figure it out. I just need to fix it and go. So let me splice a little bit off of here. Guys, we do need to solder, use some rosin core solder. We don't want to just electrical tape this. And what's good about this, or I guess an advantage, this is a thicker gauge wire that I'm splicing in. So I'm gonna solder this and then electrical tape it in and then put it back into the connector. All right, guys, so I have my patented, y'all remember the Milwaukee solder tool. I'm gonna try to my best to get this. I'm gonna do the best I can with the position that I'm in. Okay, how about that? I know I'm gonna get criticized by you electrical gurus out there. Oh my God, I can't believe. I just want to water seal this or pack this. I want to make sure I got some decent contact. Yeah, a lot of guys, back in the day, I would have just electrical taped it. But since learning the importance of soldering this, I choose to do it strictly, do it the right way now, guys, because I'm under the vehicle where all this moisture and everything else is. So I don't want the connection to stay on point, not just be on point once I fix it, okay? I don't want to see the car back for the same problem. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's tape this off. Then we're gonna tape up the whole connector. Again, guys, I'm aware this could be a little bit more done, a little bit more professional. But this is I'm in an awkward position as far as making this repair. I didn't have enough room to do it up top. Alrighty guys, I got the car back down in the air. Let's fire it up. Let's see how well this connection to the AC. The goal is to get the AC. Remember guys, you want max cooling? Turn that recirc door on. Alright, let's go outside. Is it blowing? Yes, let's go see guys. And ladies and gentlemen, y'all see that compressor running? Yes. Now, let's verify if we fixed the problem. I'm about to do a wiggle test. Okay. Let me climb up here. What was I doing last time? I want to do the same thing I was doing last time. I was moving the wires like this. Look at that. The compressor is still running, guys. Before, when I grabbed this, click, 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 click. Yes, guys, can you say success? All right, I'm highly relieved, guys. Number one, this wasn't a plumbing issue. Number two, I still had to track this down, guys. As far as charging, I don't want to get into how shops charge for such a repair, because the thing is, a lot of shops will charge straight time, like how much time it took to find the problem. But that can hurt a guy that's real good, okay, that has seen these problems and know exactly what to grab and look for. He may finish it in record time and he only get paid no time. So I don't know, every shop has its own way of charging for such a repair. But we'll talk about that on a separate video, how some shops I deal with charge. But now I'm happy the truck is fixed. All right, look at that compressor running. Did my wiggle test, everything good. AC is cold. Ooh, this line is freezing. Guys, this car is fixed. This truck is fixed. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. Oh, let me get down. And I will see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.